To get your notifications panel back together with quick settings on your Samsung Galaxy running One UI 7, swipe down from the top right. Tap the pencil icon. Go into panel settings. Select Together. Tap Done to confirm. You'll now enjoy the original consolidated experience where a single swipe brings both quick settings and notifications into one unified view. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below and share your thoughts.